Believe it or not, people are more interested in Bitcoin right now than they've been in a long time. What happens when Bitcoin interest increases? Well, we know the answer to that question. The price goes up. Last week, we looked at how Tether printing 33% more USDT probably means a huge move is coming. So far this week, we're seeing evidence of that as we are back above 7K and showing strength. Today, I'm going to be telling exactly when that move is coming and why you may want to consider jumping out of those altcoin bags and jumping into Bitcoin. Let's get it. Hello and welcome to BitBoy Crypto, your one-stop shop for all things related to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I make videos on this channel almost every single day. If you like what you hear or see, then please make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell to turn on notifications. If you would like to take the conversation even further, then please make sure to join one of my two Telegram groups or both, the Bit Squad for Crypto Chat or Bit Squad Traders to discuss trading strategies. Also, guys, in a few minutes, I'm going to be showing you guys a new trading indicator that I've been using that is crushing winning trades. You're going to want to see it, so make sure you stick around for that if you're interested in trading. All right, guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the current state of Bitcoin, and at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you whether or not you should consider selling your altcoin. You're not going to want to miss that. It's approaching a weird time for crypto. It's a time when it may be beneficial to look for points to jump out of your altcoins and into Bitcoin. You see, we're only 6 weeks away from the halving. Traditionally, what occurs during this time is that the price of Bitcoin runs up quite significantly. The move we just had to over 7K is most likely the beginning of this pump. The price will continue to rise, approaching 8,000 to 9,000 in the next few weeks. I suspect when actually we get to the day of the halving that we will see the price fall. We understand that. We expect it. Obviously, the last few weeks and months have thrown a wrench into the plan possibly, but ultimately, we still expect those same moves. There may be some disagreement on the exact numbers and the ranges, but most people agree we're going to see Bitcoin slowly move up, hit a big jump at some point, then fall back somewhere between maybe 7 to 8K after the halving. And then, whenever it bottoms out after that move, that is where we will start a slow, gradual climb back to all-time highs. That's generally the thought process on what's going to happen. Now, that's great, but where does it leave us now? What moves should you be making to prepare yourself for what comes next? Many people would tell you that you need to get out of altcoins and get into Bitcoin. Traditionally, that's been the best idea. But the question is, are things different now? I mean, let's face it. There was not really an altcoin market during the last cycle. I mean, yeah, you had Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, yada, yada, yada. But we have a booming altcoin market right now with many coins. Anyone who tries to tell you that the altcoin market was very relevant during the last halving is lying to you. I know most of you invested in 2017 or later. Be honest, you'd probably never even heard of a single altcoin prior to 2017. But I bet you had heard of Bitcoin. So what we're going to do here is look at the two cases for the near-term future of crypto. One is bearish on altcoins and one is bullish on altcoins. But before we look at whether or not you need to shift around your portfolio, I want to show you guys a trading tool I've been using to absolutely crush the market the last few weeks. If you join our Bit Squad Traders group, I posted several of my trades in there, and the people in that room will tell you we've been killing it. If you're looking for a new place to trade, you can sign up at bybit.bitboy live to get up to $90 for free and maybe use one of these bots. So a lot of you guys know I've been using Profit Sniper. If you still want the 3-for-1 Profit Sniper deal that comes with the CAT trading bot and the Discord server, you can still get that with the code BitBoy, but I don't know how much longer Keith is going to allow me to offer that deal, so you may want to hurry. But I found an indicator that I've been pairing with Profit Sniper and also with the CAT trading bot that has supercharged my trades. It's called FOMO Trender, and it's super simple and works almost flawlessly on the 1 hour and 4 hour charts. It's cheaper than Profit Sniper at only 0.05 BTC, but in my opinion, the best way it works is as a companion to Profit Sniper. You use it as double confirmation to supercharge your trades. I've been in the Profit Sniper Discord, and a lot of people really struggle with determining what the current trend is. You see, shorts are better to do in a downtrend, and longs are better to do in an uptrend. So determining the current trend will help you out huge. And in trading, you've got to get every single advantage that you can get, because small trades aren't necessarily going to get it. When you're making a little bit of profit, fees can eat you alive. So being mediocre isn't going to cut it. All right, guys, so right now I have Bybit's hourly Bitcoin chart up, and I want to show you how this works. As you can see, it's very simple. It just says buy or sell, and then it tracks the trend. And you can see it's pretty legit. As you look through here, if you see the sell, it's usually going down. When you see buy, it's usually going up. So this is going to help you identify trends that Bitcoin is in. Now, you can make actions on these. For instance, if you bought down here, then look at this. Wow, you're going to make absolutely huge gains. From the candle it wanted you to buy in to the top, that was about a $600 move, which if you're leverage trading, you could have made a lot of money on. But what I'm doing is I'm actually using it in combination with Profit Sniper. So here I'm going to turn Profit Sniper on, and what I'm looking for is I'm looking for points where I see fire, which is Profit Sniper's signal to do an action, red for sell, green for buy, and then I'm looking for the confirmation from FOMO Trender right there. So look, right here, I got the confirmation, I got the fire, I got the sell, and it works like magic. Look at that massive move. Then right here, same thing. I got a long signal from Profit Sniper, and then boom, I got the buy signal from FOMO Trender. Now look at this move. And when you look through this chart, it's very hard to find any place where you get the double confirmation where you're not making big money. Look, right here it is again. Buy and fire, boom, look at that move. Sell and fire, boom. We can go back and find some other spots. Look, right here, perfect example. Fire, buy, boom. This is a double confirmation. These are the trades I'm loading up more than average on. Look at that move. I mean, from there, we were sitting at about 5,800 and it went all the way almost to 7K. So this is how I'm using these two indicators in combination to crush the market. If you want to check the indicator out, I will drop the link in the description. Make sure to use the code BITSQUAD to get it for 0.05 BTC. It's definitely totally worth it. Okay, so back to what you should do with your alts. Well, first, let's look at the bearish case for alts. We're in very uncertain times right now. Honestly, it's hard for me to come up with innovative content every day because I feel like I'm so torn. On one hand, Bitcoin is doing well. On the other hand, our economy is likely going to crash. It's just a weird spot to be in. But people are quarantined right now, and they're actually using that time to research Bitcoin. The educational course website Udemy has seen a 400% increase in people taking Bitcoin courses in the last few weeks. We've talked about how Bitcoin searches are on the rise for Google Trends. The average person right now is getting more interested in Bitcoin than they were before the crash. Bitcoiners would tell you is because people really understand and are passionate about deflationary currency. But I would say it's actually a myriad of things, including the government printing $2 trillion, people looking to change careers, investors researching diversification options, and frankly, people may just be bored and want to learn something. The dangerous thing for altcoins, though, during this time is right now people are looking at Bitcoin, and it could be the right time as we are coming up to a halving pump, most likely. If Bitcoin increases 33% over the next few weeks, why would people even look at altcoins? And then there's the matter of the looming financial crisis itself. People are going to look at real estate, gold, and possibly Bitcoin as a way to invest in other assets as the stock market crumbles. And I do believe it is going to crumble. Most do. Carl, aka The Moon, got a lot of movement on his tweet regarding Bitcoin dominance. He believes it will be over 90% due to this crisis. Look, I like Carl, but no one has ever accused Carl of being conservative with his predictions. But I can tell you that if the market is 90% dominated by Bitcoin, then you're going to be wishing you had a lot more. So something to think about. For the bullish case for altcoins, you need to hope that the market is going to act much differently to the halving than it has done in the past. Due to the completely different type of robust altcoin market we have this cycle, I would say that definitely is possible. YouTuber Crypto Lark shared a very interesting chart today on Twitter that's probably the best example of potential bullishness for altcoins during this time. As you can see, the uptrend for Bitcoin domination over the last few months has been broken. This is strange because you would expect Bitcoin dominance to be increasing, but it plummeted down to 65%, and it continued falling down to 64.5% today. The question is why? And I think this could be good for altcoins. You see, Bitcoin pumped the last 2 days before coming back down. When Bitcoin pumps, people take money out and either put it on the sidelines as profit or reinvest it in altcoins. Well, many altcoins pumped over the last few days. So what conclusions can we draw from this? People do not believe Bitcoin is capable of pumping more than a few $100 at a time anymore. When it does, as illustrated this week, they take profits. And since altcoins pumped, it seems like people are hedging their bets a bit with altcoins, and probably also some traditional assets like gold and real estate. So what should you do? Should you sell your altcoin bags and load up on Bitcoin? Well, if you've watched my channel, I've told you for a long time that you need to have a significant amount of your portfolio in Bitcoin. I do. It's the safest bet out there when it comes to crypto, but you guys know I do love altcoins. Altcoins should have a place in your portfolio. They're high risk, high reward. Altcoins are how people get mega rich, but right now it is probably going to be Bitcoin's time to shine. You don't have to sell all your alts, but it may be time to consolidate if you aren't holding enough BTC. But now it's your turn. Do you think it is a good time to move over to Bitcoin, or are you comfortable riding out the halving pump with big altcoin bags? Let me know what your plan is during this time by dropping a comment below. And a reminder for you guys that are interested in the trading bot, the link is down below in the video description. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to smash the like button and hit subscribe to become a member of the fastest growing community in crypto, the Bit Squad. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. BitBoy out.